Hey guys, hope all is well. It's good to be back on YouTube. We haven't seen you in a few weeks. It's been really busy here at the shop, and then me and the wife just had our first son 3 weeks ago. His name's Grayson. He's doing really well. Last night he woke up like every hour. And then the other night he slept like 5 hours straight. So it's kind of hit and miss when his sleep patterns are kind of way off. Which mine are usually way off as well, so he probably gets that from me. But yeah, everything's going good with him. Just wanted to make a quick video today. We're washing my personal beater car. It doesn't get washed very often. I maintain it mechanically, but as far as visual aspects, it gets neglected big time. I guess at the end of the day, after working on all the other vehicles, Todd and my own vehicle is probably the dirtiest vehicle in town, just because we don't have time to wash them, and then when we do have time to wash them, there's other priorities. So I'm gonna give it a quick bath today, and I wanted to try out Larry from Ammo's aerator that he just came out with, as well as the froth. It's like a combination. You use the froth with the aerator, and this is actually like a rinseless wash. And it's kind of like a thick, it says right here, creates a thick shaving cream like foam to protect the surface of your paint from scratching during the hoseless wash. So typically you would use this for like a hoseless wash. I'll put a link in the description below of Larry's video. He's really good at describing his products. He's an awesome YouTuber, and he's definitely one of the detailers that I really look up to on the YouTube side and also the detailing side. So if you haven't subscribed to Larry at Ammo NYC, definitely subscribe to him. But today we're gonna use this kind of in replacement of our foam cannon. So I'm gonna use the hose only. I did pressure wash the wheel wells, but I'm gonna use the hose only on the paint to pre-rinse it. And then we're gonna foam it all up with this and then wash it with our wash mitts still. With a bucket with soap and water. We're still gonna wash it with the wash mitts, but I'm gonna kind of replace our foam cannon, spraying foam all over the vehicle with this product here, and kind of see how it goes. Once we get another truck in here, maybe I'll go completely rinseless, no hose, no buckets. But for today on this thing, it's really dirty. And I think always the best option, if you have access to it, is your hose and buckets and pressure washers, or even just a hose in your buckets. Definitely I think will always work better than a rinseless wash. But this combination here would work really well if you live in like an apartment, or you don't have a hose to wash your vehicle, or if you're going through like a drought in your area. This would definitely be a good option. It's just you can't really get like the carpet wheel wells and stuff with this. You need the water to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on this. If you have any questions, feel free to ask below. But yeah, let's try this stuff out. All right, guys, tried out the aerator a little bit. It worked really well with the froth. It's like shaving cream coming out of the container. So I can see how it works really good for a rinseless wash. I was just kind of getting impatient. I need to get out of here pretty soon. And I don't do a whole lot of rinseless washing. And I'm sure it is time saving if you're good at, like if you're familiar with it and you do it a lot, you can probably knock it out really quick. But I don't have an unlimited supply of towels since they're all in the washer and dryer. And I just was like, I tried this one area, I pre-rinsed it, frothed it up, and then wiped it off. And it did actually pull off the dirt really, really nicely. But then for the rest of the car, I just sprayed it on as extra lubrication for the washing process, kind of like the foam cannon. So it worked really good for that. No complaints whatsoever. It definitely smells really nice. It definitely smells really nice, and it foams up really well. And I still probably used a little bit more than you actually need. Once I get an actual nice vehicle in here, I'll try a nice no rinse, the actual proper method that if you go over to Larry's channel, you'll see how he actually uses the product for a no rinse system. But for right now, I got it all clean at least. I'm gonna try out the Ammo Hydrate. I never used it. You can use this when the paint's still wet as like a kind of like a drying agent to help dry off the water spots, as well as add a little bit of protection. So let's try this out and see how it works. Guys, got the Honda all cleaned up. It looks a lot better than it did. It's not perfect, no. It still has a couple little water spots here and there, but the thing's all scratched up. It's been neglected. I really should go through and buff the whole car and ceramic coat it, or else just vinyl wrap the whole thing, because it has paint chips all over it from the previous owner. But definitely good to go. Tried out the Ammo Hydrate. That was the first time I used this product. It works really well on a wet surface. So if you just finished up washing your car and it's still wet, works really good as a drying aid. And it also has some protection to it as well. It makes it really smooth. Basically just spray it on a nice clean microfiber, wipe it on, and then take another dry microfiber and wipe it off. And it leaves a nice finish, no residue left behind. We've been using the Detail King Aqua Seal for a long time. This is basically kind of the same kind of system. It's polymer sealant. It kind of works the same as the Ammo Hydrate, but yeah, both hand in hand, I would say. As far as application goes, they both work really well for a drying agent and a protection all in one. But anyway, I think I'm gonna get out of here, go do some fishing maybe. If you guys are going to the YouTube call out, make sure if you see me, you come up and talk to me. I'm sure a lot of you are going to that. If you don't know about it, you can check out Street Speed 717's channel. They got all the information on there. I think it's tomorrow, Sunday. I don't know what the date for tomorrow is, but it's Sunday, I think 10 to 5, I believe. 12 to 5 or 10 to 5. But if you see me there, well, if you see the Honda, just ignore me. But if you see me out of the Honda, come up and talk to me. And it should be a good time. It's gonna be a little colder, but I'm definitely looking forward to it. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for videos this week. Hope to upload at least 1 or 2 videos, get back in the game here since we've been off for so long. And thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later.